Hi friends, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a reel. As you can see, I'm in the Instagram app now. There's a couple ways you can get to reels. You can do on the top left, there's that plus sign, or you can go to your stories like you're going to normally upload a story, pushing the camera. You can scoot on over to reels on the bottom. So the key with music, if you have this option right here on audio, is you have to choose it before you start recording. So choose your music by clicking that, and you can pick whatever one you want. I'm gonna do no music because I wanna show you that I can talk to you. So choose your music and that will play when you start recording. This button right here, which is like the little play, this controls the speed of your video, whether you wanna go super fast or super slow. I never use it, but more power to you. Filter, effects, if you have any that you like, you can put that on. If not, don't worry about it. I don't use effects, just one step I just don't want to do. Timer, this is what I use literally every video. So the timer, you can judge each chunk of your video. So this is how you get me doing the transitions and keep going after another, or how I talk to myself, all of that fun stuff. So the timer is my favorite part. You can keep it long and just flow the whole 15 seconds, or you can do timers, which I highly recommend. So I'm going to set it for 4 seconds, set timer. And what you can do is you can hit the button. So the button right there, you can hit that, and then that's going to start the countdown and you'll record. So I will show you. Hitting that, you're going to get the countdown. Hello friends, welcome to my Reels tutorial video. Make sure you keep an eye out for this right here. That's going to show you how much time you have left. So the pink is how much recording you have taken up, and then the gray is how much you have left. So to edit that video to see if I like it, see how the left arrow is dark gray? You can see the cover. Hello friends, welcome. And you click trim. Hello friends, welcome to my Reels. So you can trim it to hello friends, cut out all the awkward area. Hello friends, welcome to my Reels tutorial. Hello friends. Hello friends, welcome to my Reels. So hello friends, welcome to my Reels. You are done. If you don't like it, you hit the trash can. You can delete it as you go. So what's next that comes up after you've created that first little chunk of pink? This little align area. So if you were doing those snap transitions, you can do align. So I can position myself to match the previous video. So I don't use that often, but for the align, it works. So if I'm like grabbing something and I snap it out, you want to use that. So again, I hit the timer and I can do my little chunk just like this. And then you click that here for the countdown. That's usually when I'm running. And then I stand here. How are you doing? How are you doing? And then I can click stop. And then I'm going to go ahead and edit that again. Here. I like it. And then, so you don't have to do the timer, but I enjoy it. You can add video from your camera roll. So what's cool about this is you can add old videos and bring them in. If you want to add picture, just do a screen recording of your picture and save it as a video. That's a little hack to get the video or the picture to be in here. So if you want to do a video and then cut to an image, you can do that just by saving it as that. So now I'm going to go here because I like the way that it comes out. Now I'm going to add in my text. So up here in the left corner or right corner, I'm going to say add text to whatever color I want it to be. And then this is where you edit your text. So see how it turns white. Now you throw in this little thing and you cut it where you don't want the text anymore. So this is going to show you where that text is going to stop and it's going to go clear. It will not be clear on your final video just right now so you can see it. So I only want it in the beginning. So I'm going to extend it here. Then you go to text again and say text 2. That's going to do that as well. And you can move it around. You can put it wherever you want. And then you want it to go when the other one goes off. And there you go. You just do it like that. And you can do that going with however many texts you want. You can do markers. You can do GIFs. You can do all of that fun stuff. All just by editing that. So that's how you get your text, and you can use all the normal text that Instagram provides. As you can see, I just always stick with that one. So now that I like my video, I'm like, this is perfect. It's amazing. I go to here and then you can click your cover. So you can do your own from your camera roll, or you can choose any of these, which I am the queen of thumbnails. Yes, there we go. You put in your caption, you share it to your feed. I highly recommend sharing it to your feed because you're gonna get more views for your followers, and then you can go ahead and do it to stories. I don't recommend that option. I would stick to Reels, share to feed, and then take the feed, when it posts to your feed, then share it to your stories. You can save it as a draft. So now it'll go, oh, there's my shirt, so cute. So it'll go to drafts, which is here, and you can see it right there. So you can post it at a different time. So hopefully this helps. Let me get back into camera to you guys. Whoop, there you are. There you go. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions on Reels or if you have any cool tips that I may have missed, but this is basic Reels 101.